Edtech firm Unacademy are set to exit the company that they founded. Sources have said that Gaurav Munjal and Saini are in talks with the board to spin off the language learning app, which is called Learn, as a separate company. Rachna standing by with more. Rachna, what does this mean for Unacademy, with the founders looking at a possible exit?
Well, Unacademy, once a high-flying edtech unicorn, is now undergoing a deep leadership and strategic reset. Co-founder Gaurav Munjal has stepped down as CEO, and Saini, another co-founder, is also exiting from active duties. The reins have now passed to Sumit Jain as the company doubles down on its pivot to physical learning centers and its language learning app branded Learn, moving away from the online test prep segment that originally made Unacademy a household name. So this isn't just a leadership shuffle. It's a culmination of mounting pressures over the last 2 years. Back in April 2022, Unacademy terminated around 1,000 full-time and contractual staff. A year later, in March 2023, another 350 were let go, including members of the leadership, tech and online test prep teams. By August and October 2023, COO Vivek Sinha and CFO Subramaniam Ramchandran had also resigned, indicating a steady churn at the top. Funding has also been tight. Despite marquee investors like Facebook, Bloom Ventures, Nexus Partners, General Atlantic, Sequoia Capital and Peak 15 backing the company, Unacademy has struggled to secure fresh capital. It was last valued at $3.4 billion but hasn't raised funds since August 2021, when it secured about $440 million, bringing to total funding to $880 million. Internally, Unacademy has tried to reassure stakeholders. In December 2023, Gaurav Munjal claimed that the company had reduced cash burn by 60% and had a runway of over 4 years. And in July 2024, he tweeted that Unacademy was poised for its best year in terms of growth and profitability, asking people to ignore the rumors at the time. But the ground reality tells a more complex story. In the funding boom of 2020, Unacademy made about 12 acquisitions to expand its reach. By most accounts, many of these acquired companies have either shut down or become dormant. While Munjal initially dismissed such assessments, he later admitted that Unacademy would narrow its focus to just 2 or 3 core projects. Crucially, online test preparation, once its flagship segment, is no longer among those core bets. The company's future now hinges on its offline pivot or through Learn, a major strategic departure from its digital-first origins. Now, according to sources, over the past 2 years, Unacademy has also held unsuccessful bailout talks with players like Allen, PhysicsWala, K12 Techno, Bodhi Tree Systems, Veranda Learning, as the pressure to restructure and find new growth avenues have mounted. Sources also tell CNBC-TV18 that the company still continues to look for a bailout. Now, as Sumit Jain takes the helm, all eyes are on whether this reset can bring Unacademy the stability and credibility it needs in a far more cautious edtech landscape in the country.
Rachna, many thanks for joining us. Another troubled firm there in India's edtech sector. India's